destination for all things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are exploring smart, beautiful ways to transform compact outdoor spaces using hardscaping. A small patio hardscape refers to the non-plant built elements of a compact outdoor space, such as stone pavers, brick pathways, retaining walls, gravel, concrete slabs, and built-in seating structures. Unlike softscaping, which includes plants, grass, and trees, hardscaping provides the foundational layout, structural boundaries, and functional surface area that define your yard. In smaller footprints, hardscaping maximizes usability by turning underutilized or uneven ground into stable, usable outdoor living zones. Installing a small patio hardscape offers numerous benefits for homeowners seeking both convenience and aesthetic value. First, hardscapes significantly reduce yard maintenance by eliminating large lawn areas that require constant mowing, watering, and fertilizing. Second, hardscaping enhances drainage and prevents erosion, keeping your yard clean and usable year-round regardless of rain or mud. Additionally, a well-designed hardscape creates defined functional zones for cooking, dining, or relaxing, making even tiny backyards feel organized and spacious while boosting overall property value. Decorating a small patio hardscape requires balancing functionality with visual texture so the space feels inviting rather than cold. Start by choosing weather-resistant furniture scaled appropriately to your space, such as slender frame sectional sofas, bistro sets, or built-in benches that double as storage. Incorporate warmth through outdoor rugs, vibrant accent pillows, string lights, and ambient lanterns. To soften hard masonry, integrate greenery using vertical planter walls, multi-tiered potted plants, integrated garden beds, or decorative gravel borders that frame your hardscape surfaces elegantly. The best items for a small patio hardscape include space-saving modular sectional seating, built-in fire pits or compact fire tables, vertical wall planters, and all-weather outdoor rugs to anchor your seating arrangement. Low-voltage LED step lighting, overhead string lights, built-in outdoor kitchen islands, and natural stone retaining walls also elevate both utility and atmosphere without cluttering precious floor space. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here are the compilation of the top 10 best small patio hardscape ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) Terrace stone steps and boulder retaining wall. This design features flat, clean concrete or stone steps leading down a sloped yard, bordered by massive natural stone boulders and layered retaining beds. Lush green topiary shrubs and perennial plantings tuck neatly into the rock face, providing a serene, naturalized walkway structure. 2. Modern alcove fireplace and outdoor kitchen. A compact urban courtyard setup showcasing stacked stone retaining walls surrounding a sleek built-in fireplace. The space is paired with a built-in stainless steel barbecue grill, wooden lounge chairs with thick cushions, and bamboo privacy screen plantings to create an intimate retreat. 3. Sunken modern fire pit with tiered retaining walls. This ultra-modern layout utilizes concrete retaining walls on multi-level terraces to create a cozy sunken fire pit lounge area. Smooth river pebbles, integrated wooden bench seating, and subtle wall lighting establish an elegant geometric aesthetic. 4. Dark contemporary lounge with gravel pathway. A dramatic black-paneled alcove houses a low-profile outdoor sofa, framed by large concrete paver stepping stones set in dark pea gravel. Vibrant green grass turf, lush succulents, and specimen birch trees offer a stark, stunning contrast. 5. Paver courtyard with L-shaped sectional. A classic small backyard patio paved with gray interlocking stone pavers, enclosed by a full wood privacy fence. Vibrant lime green and blue cushions brighten up a dark wicker L-shaped sectional sofa surrounded by rich perennial borders. 6. Concrete slabs and gravel dining terrace. Large, clean-lined concrete paver slabs are set into a broad pea gravel bed beneath a modern black wooden pergola. A long timber dining table and minimalist metal chairs make this an ideal setup for entertaining in a modest footprint. 7. Multi-tiered bluestone patio with stone fireplace. An expansive multi-level hardscape layout using natural bluestone pavers and dry stack stone walls. It features distinct zones for dining and fireside lounging next to a custom stone fireplace, overlooking an adjacent pool and lawn. 8. Modern grid pavers with built-in wooden bench. A chic backyard design using large square concrete pavers spaced evenly over dark gravel, anchored by a custom L-shaped wooden bench with white cushions. Overhead string lights cast a warm ambience across the entire hardscape dining space. 9. Tiered linear bluestone patio with integrated garden beds. Sleek, multi-tiered light gray stone paving defines this modern residence. Raised concrete planter beds filled with ornamental grasses and evergreen shrubs break up the stone surfaces for a crisp, low-maintenance aesthetic. 10. Turf grid paver lounge with custom fire table. An inviting patio featuring dark wicker sofas centered around a large square gas fire pit table. Concrete pavers are seamlessly interspersed with emerald turf strips, creating a high-contrast geometric ground pattern next to a built-in bar. Hardscaping proves that you don't need a sprawling backyard to create an extraordinary outdoor oasis. By choosing smart layouts, durable materials, and multifunctional features, even the smallest patio space can become your favorite spot to relax and entertain. If you enjoyed these small patio hardscape ideas, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor design inspiration. Leave a comment below letting us know which of these 10 ideas you would love to build in your own yard.